Looking for a PC case that keeps your build quiet without sacrificing performance or style? The Corsair 110Q promises just that. Its minimalist design fits seamlessly into any setup, while 4 high-density sound dampening panels actively reduce noise. If you want a quieter workspace or gaming environment, this case is designed to deliver peace and performance at the same time. What really sets the 110Q apart is its thoughtful storage and cooling options. You get support for up to 4 drives, including 2 dedicated 2.5-inch trays and 2 combo 3.5-inch, 2.5-inch trays housed in a removable cage. Plus, there's a 5.25-inch optical drive bay for those who still need it. On the cooling front, the case comes with a 120mm fan pre-installed and can accommodate up to 4 120mm or 2 140mm fans, along with multiple radiator configurations. Removable dust filters on the front and floor keep your system clean long after the build is finished, so maintenance is a breeze. I recently upgraded from the Corsair 110R to a pricier case, only to realize how much I valued the 110R's features, especially the 5.25-inch bay, which is rare these days. The tempered glass side panel is easy to remove and reattach, and the modern USB front panel connectors add convenience. Running an Intel i7-11700K with a mid-range CPU cooler and 3 case fans, the 110R handled everything smoothly without overheating or excess noise. Building a second system with the Corsair 110R, I installed an ASUS optical drive, an EVGA 280mm AIO cooler at the front as intake, and a combination of Be Quiet and Fantex fans for exhaust and top airflow. The setup included 4x8GB Corsair RGB Vengeance 3200 DDR4 RAM and a Corsair 750 RMX power supply. The case kept temperatures stable and noise levels low throughout, proving it's more than capable for high-performance builds. If you're looking for a case that balances quiet operation, flexible cooling, and ample storage options, the Corsair 110Q deserves a close look. It's designed to fit into any environment with ease, keep your components cool, and reduce noise without extra hassle. Worth a look if you want a reliable case that doesn't cut corners on features or comfort. Ready to upgrade your build with a case that works as hard as you do? The Corsair 110Q offers the quiet, cool, and versatile foundation your system needs. Try it when you're ready and experience how a well-designed case can change your PC setup.